Less than 24 hours ago, I came out with a video talking about the new DJI Pocket 3 and all the specifications that it comes with. And one of you guys commented, saying that the unboxing video is actually out. I did not believe it until I checked it out for myself and saw this. So apparently one of the DJI staff has already unboxed this DJI Pocket 3 and show what it actually comes with. So let's do a quick commentary about the video to see what it actually includes, as well as some test clips from the DJI staff himself. Okay, so you can see here that actually the package itself comes with this very neat pouch which includes everything in, and it looks quite small. I think this is a really smart idea and really easy to bring around.
Lanjut, ini dia pocketnya. Kita sampingin dulu pocketnya. Wow.
Yes, it actually comes with the microphone itself.
Oh serius, ini keren banget.
Right, as we pause here, you can see that the microphone has this transparent part which you're able to see what's inside. Similar to what Insta360 Go have with their mobile gimbal. Okay, obviously it comes with all these different wires for charging it.
Tadi ada telepon sedikit, saya langsung lanjut. Perniknya ada apa aja? Ini handle buat masang.
Yes, and this is the dual handle which I mentioned in the video. So it's as small as what the leak images really show.
Tripod nanti buat si pocket. Terus ini tripod bener, tripod kan, tripodnya ya lumayan.
Yes, I mean now it includes this small little tripod. It makes a lot of sense comparing what the DJI Pocket 2 has, which is actually this small little thing. It's good that they include it, but this is far too small. This is definitely something better.
Kayak dulu ringkih kecil. Terus ini dua kabelnya aku kasih sini buat koneksiin ke aplikasinya.
Okay, just now he mentioned the word called kecil. Kecil is basically small or short in the Malay or Indonesian language. So when he says that, it really means that this whole attachment dual handle is really tiny.
Buat koneksiin ke DJI Mimo, untuk masang mikrofon juga. Wireless.
Okay, apparently there are two parts of it, right? If you guys can see, there's a big and small one. I wonder what the difference really is. Okay, it comes with a wind muff. Okay, the screen, yes, it's really nice. It's just like what the images has shown.
Oke, sebentar. Tadi kita sudah aktifasi dan memasukkan memori. Modenya ada panorama, foto, video.
Okay, as he clicks on it, you can hear there's some click sound. Alright, let's replay it again. So I feel that's really good, interesting, as it's like sort of a haptic feedback. You will know what you press and what you changed.
Yang video, panorama,
right, as you scroll up, you can hear.
Video. Wow, ada buat yang low light. Berarti ini malam cakep sih harusnya.
Here he's basically saying that there are all the previous functions from the previous DJI Pocket. There's slow motion, time lapse.
Oh, zoom in, zoom out ya.
The zooming in and zooming out is the same as what we have on the DJI Pocket 2 also, so that's great. And it's much better with a larger screen to press.
Oh, ternyata kalau mau potret atau landscape tinggal puter screennya aja, jadi nggak perlu miringin kameranya dia seperti ini.
Yeah, so as what he's saying is that there's no setting to change like be it portrait or landscape mode. Once you turn the screen, it will automatically rotate it to either the landscape or portrait mode.
Dia quick, mati sendiri. Oh, dia quick start kayak si Osmo Mobile 6, dia quick start. Ini kita mainin gimbal, oke. Oke, langsung kita tes aja kameranya. Oke, kita langsung coba kameranya aja ya.
Okay, so now he's doing an outdoor testing
dengan menggunakan mic bawaannya.
Okay, do note that this video is actually reposted from somebody else. I think the original one was actually taken down, so some of the footages here are slightly a little bit more pixelated. That's my hunch. So because once you post a video on YouTube and then you save it and post it again, you will definitely lose some quality.
Pakai mic yang transparan tadi atau mic gaming ya. Ini foto potretnya. Kita lagi ada di Era Jaya Digital Center ya guys. Di pocket ini yang transparan ya guys. Ini kita pakai mic.
Okay, assuming that this is probably and most likely the DJI Pocket 3's selfie mode, you can see that the background blur is quite good. So that means that their sensor size has really definitely improved and to be able to create this depth of field or bokeh.
Noise-nya, oh iya lupa, dia ada fitur active track. Kita klik wajahnya, saya kemana-mana dia punya fitur. Oke, active track-nya.
Okay, I'm sure you can hear some background noises. After thinking about it, I assume that it's probably some machinery that is at the back. To be fair, everywhere around him still looks quite quiet. Okay, so far we can hear the audio quality is actually not bad, but he's in a rather quiet environment and the only noise was actually the machinery. But I think DJI can't go wrong if they are just improving from the DJI Pocket 2 to Pocket 3. The Pocket 2's clip-on microphone is really excellent already.
Tersedia langsung di DJI Peak 2 edisi, atau kalau misalnya nggak terjangkau kita bisa antar ke rumah langsung, transaksi di rumah.
Okay, so now we're going back to the video which is going to talk about more about the handle which just now I mentioned.
Dia ngecas juga, ngecas si Pocket 3-nya ini. Nah, ini baterai yang bawah, ini baterai yang atas. Baterai yang bawah ini juga ngecas sih. Ini baterai.
So here you can see that there's two percentage over here. I assume that the top one is actually a DJI Pocket itself, whereas the bottom one is actually the wireless microphone. The very same thing that was actually happening with the DJI Pocket 2.
Yeah.
Okay, so the rest of the video is basically him mentioning about the store and where to get it. But I really got a feeling that he actually got the dates of the release wrong and he's actually unboxing it too early. You can see that the actual DJI's page was actually talking about the 25th of October. So I'm pretty sure this guy is going to be in quite a bit of soup after this. Well, at least we get a real view about the DJI Pocket 3. What do you guys think? Do you guys like what you're seeing? I personally quite like it as, I mean like due to the screen and the kind of quality that we get. But I'm really curious to be able to compare with my DJI Pocket 2 to be able to see if actually it's going to be worth it for some of you guys who are planning to get one. Either ways, I hope you like this quick video. See you in the next one.